This is part 2 of a tutorial showing how to use LumaFusion to edit video footage. In part 1, we saw that added video clips could be imported to the project timeline and then trimmed or moved around by dragging and dropping. If you need to split a clip, select the clip in the timeline, position the playhead where you want to split it, then tap the scissors. Now you have 2 clips that can be adjusted or moved separately. To do more adjustments to your clips, you will need to tap the toolbox to the right of the timeline window. This opens several options. Tap a clip to highlight it, then tap Edit in the toolbox options. Here you can adjust the framing of the video clip. For example, use the pinch zoom gesture to zoom in and reposition. Over on the right of the viewer are some presets which allow you to quickly adjust to a desired framing position. Tap the Reset All option to return to the original configuration. Tap the speed icon to speed up or slow down the clip. Tap the audio button to adjust the volume of the clip using the scroll bar. Tapping the play button lets you adjust the volume as the clip is playing.
Get rid of salt through pumping out salt that has been taken up through the roots into its tissues. It pumps it out through salt glands that are in the leaves. And you can see here on this plant.
And there are some advanced options in the preset panel. The final option is Color and Effects. To begin, tap the original option in the preset panel. That opens various ways to adjust the image, including brightness, contrast, and saturation. Or there may be a preset that will quickly give you the look you want. Once you are done with those adjustments, tap the back button to go back to the main view. Here you can also adjust the volume of the clip while it's playing. Tap the audio icon on the far left and then the play button.
And you can see here on this plant.
Now you can make finer adjustments to the audio. You can mute the entire clip by tapping the mute button. To detach the audio from a clip, select it by tapping and then tap the Detach option in the toolbox. You can then move the audio track to another clip or to a photo. Let's take a quick look at photos. Tap 1 to view in the viewer panel. Tapping Info will give you details about the photo. Tap the down arrow to add it to your timeline. You can change the duration from the default by dragging the ends of the photo clip. Open the toolbox and tap Edit to change the framing and to add motion to the photo. When the play button is tapped, nothing changes. But we can add a quick Ken Burns effect by tapping one of the presets, such as Zoom Out. Or a tilt up. You can also use the presets to make the photo a picture-in-picture. To do this, move the photo on top of a video clip in the timeline. Then select one of the picture-in-picture frame options in the preset gallery. This one puts the image in the upper right corner. You can also resize the picture-in-picture by dragging the corners. Now when that clip plays, the photo appears embedded in the main frame. Similarly, we can create a cutaway by placing a video clip on top of another clip. Now when we play it, the video cuts from the main clip to the second clip.
See the salt crystals that have formed on the underside of this leaf, and then the next time it rains, these, or in some cases the tide comes up this high, the salt crystals will be washed off the leaf. And
if there is sound in the second clip, though, you'll have to mute it. To add a voiceover, you need to tap the plus sign under the toolbox, then tap the voiceover option. Now you see a record button below the viewer window. Tap to begin recording. After a countdown, begin speaking. Tap the record button again to stop the recording. You now have the option to delete the voiceover, re-record it, or accept it. The audio track now appears below the main clip. You can also add transitions between clips. Tap the plus again and select Transition. Now select the transition and open the toolbox. Tap Presets and pick a transition such as Cross Dissolve. Now instead of an abrupt cut, the first clip dissolves into the next. Finally, you can add text titles. Tap the plus again and then select Overlay Title. That puts a title track over the clip. Tap Edit to access options. Here you can set the color, font style and size, opacity, and a bunch of other options. Tap the text to see these options. Double tap to open the keyboard. Type in the title. You can reposition the title simply by dragging. Now that clip plays with the title appearing in the first few seconds.
Picking up, and then back there you can see.
So those are some of the main adjustments that you are likely to want to make in a video. This will get you started. Then you can explore some of the more advanced editing options on your own. When you are finished, the final step is to export your edited video by tapping the Share button. Select Movie and then the destination. Although you can send your video directly to YouTube or to other sites, you probably want to save it to your photo library on your device. The last step is to decide on the export settings. In most cases, you want to export at 1080p resolution and use the other default settings. That is, unless you want to make a specific change, such as dropping the audio. And that's it. LumaFusion takes a bit of practice at first, but is generally easy to navigate once you have the basics. Anything you can't figure out by trial and error can be found in the Help section. And for the price, you get a really robust app that gives you some professional editing tools in a mostly user-friendly package. This is Karen McKee, the Scientist Videographer. Thanks for watching.